Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to remove bullet points from a list using CSS. As you can see, I got two list elements here. The list on the left hand side has bullet points, which is the default behavior of our unordered list. And on the right hand side, I got a list without the bullet points. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet, which is style.css. We need one div element here. Give it a class of container. Inside this, we need two more div elements. Give it a class of list container. Just copy and paste it. Now here, we'll create a unordered list. So let's use UL element here and add couple of names. Just copy and paste it. Let's make it James, Marks, Ryan, and Craig. Now just copy this list and paste it here. To this UL element, we'll add a class noBullets. Save it. Now let's create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select the container class. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Gap will be 10 pixels. Now let's select the list container class. Padding will be 0, 50 pixel, 0, and 20 pixel. Font size will be 18 pixels. Border will be 1 pixel, solid black. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. And there's the output. You can see we got two list items side by side, and we are going to remove bullet points from this list. So let's go to CSS file. If you remember, we added a class noBullets to this list. So let's select that class here, noBullets. And you need only one line of a code to remove those bullet points. Here we are going to utilize this property, list style type, and set it to none. Now just save it, go to the browser, and that's the output. You can see the list on the left hand side has bullet points and the list on the right hand side does not have one. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.